Chef Hendrik here, and I'm going to make you a delicious cornbread and sausage stuffing. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of marjoram, 2 cups of mirepoix, that is celery, onion, and carrot, about 8 baby portobello mushrooms sliced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 large green apple diced, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 2 Italian sausages sliced, about 1/2 cup of glazed pecans, 2 cups of chicken stock, about 1.5 pounds of diced cornbread. Go ahead and add the sausages and the pecans. And give it a quick toss. In the drippings of the sausages where you cook them, you want to add the garlic. You can smell the garlic perfuming the pan, the marjoram, and the mirepoix. The mirepoix has begun to sweat a little bit. The onions are getting translucent. Add the mushrooms and the apples. The butter to add flavor. The mushrooms and apples have begun to lose a little bit of water. This will add a lot of flavor to the stuffing. Add the parsley. A little salt. About a teaspoon. A little pepper. The goodies are ready. Add the vegetables to the cornbread mixture. And mix them in. Pour in the hot chicken stock. Give it a good toss. Pour the stuffing into a greased casserole. I don't want to compact this too much because I want it to get crispy on top and stay moist on the bottom. 150-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's go cook it! If the stuffing is not getting enough color, you can put it under the broiler for about 30 seconds or so. The stuffing is ready. If you enjoyed this show, please subscribe to our video cookbook.